Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair a pinion seal leak on a Ford. In this case it's a Ford Ranger. The pinion seal was leaking due to this yoke. Yoke is actually the piece that seals it off. Right here is where the seal is running and there's a groove here. So whatever seal you're gonna install, it's going to be leaking. This yoke is worn out, and there's two options here. We can either replace a yoke, or there is an option of installing a sleeve on it. SKF makes a really nice sleeve. Speedi-Sleeve by SKF. What it is essentially just a little, very thin sheet metal that has been formed into something that looks like a sleeve that goes over this, and there's even a tool that comes with it for hammering it in. So let's see if we can do it. So I'm gonna just try to center it as much as I could. Okay. And now I'm just gonna run it in. Done. Now I have this perfect smooth surface, and it's also a little bit larger in diameter, so it's going to be closer to that seal. It's going to be pressed tight against the seal, and it'll not leak again in the near future. Obviously, eventually it'll wear out and start leaking again, but it's going to be a while. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.